In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. So if Bluetooth is not working on your Windows 11, there might be various reasons behind it. Here I'm going to show you in Windows 10, but the process are pretty similar in order to fix this problem. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure Bluetooth is turned on. For that, what you have to do is access the settings. Click on the Windows icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for devices and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with devices. At first, you'll be able to find the option for Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure this option is selected. Now once this option is selected, you can see over here you'll be able to find the option for Bluetooth. Make sure this button is toggled on. If it is toggled off, what you have to do is simply click on it in order to toggle it on. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. But if still your problem is not solved, there might be some other reason behind it. So for that, what you have to do is simply go to services, click on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is search for services. Now you'll be able to find the option for services over here. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here services will be opened up. You'll be able to find various options over here. It will be arranged in the alphabetical order. So what you have to do is simply find the option for Bluetooth. You'll be able to find three options over here. What you have to do is simply right click in the option of Bluetooth. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, properties. Now you can see over here properties will be opened up. Make sure general option is selected. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for startup type. Right now manual is selected. Click on it. Now click on the option automatic. After you do that, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, it will be applied. Likewise, you'll also have to do the same for other two options too. After you do that, your problem should be solved after restarting the device. Simply restart your device and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply run the troubleshooter. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is search for troubleshoot. Now you'll be able to find the option for troubleshoot settings over here. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here the troubleshooter will be opened up. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for additional troubleshooters. Now you'll be able to see the additional troubleshooters over here. Now right over here, what you have to do is find the option for Bluetooth. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for run the troubleshooter. Click on it. Now wait for a while and troubleshooter will diagnose the problem for you. Simply follow all the process and after that your problem should be fixed. But if the troubleshooter does not diagnose any problem, then the problem might be in the device that you're trying to connect to. So make sure that device is turned on and properly connected. After that, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.